Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video, I will show you how to make sticky elements inside React.js application. So inside your website, if you want to stick your header as a fixed element, you can use this package. You can see the demo. As I'm scrolling, the header portion is sticker. It is not moving. So all the time the user will see this section as they scroll the website. So it's very perfect for, let's suppose, if you want to display some kind of message that you want to display all the time. So as the user scrolls down, they will all the time see that content appear on the sticky. So as we scroll, you will see the element is stick. It is fixed at the top. It is not moving. So the user will see all the time this content. So the package which is responsible for this, if you go to npmjs.com and just search for this package, react-stickynode. So this is essentially this package which you can use. The command is very simple. You have this command. I've already installed it. So I will just show you a very simple example. It is having almost 62,000 weekly downloads. So now to get started, first of all, just make a simple functional component, and then we need to import this package by using the import statement, and it contains the sticky component which will be coming from this package, and it's almost 18 kilobytes. It's a very minimalistic package. So once you require it, you need to go to JSX, and wherever you need to put your sticky element, you need to give some attributes. So we have this h1 heading. So now whichever element that you want to make sticky, you surround this using this component sticky section. So it can hold any valid HTML, it can hold heading, images, anything. So now let's suppose I import a simple image that I want it to be sticky. So image is present in my assets directory. So I'm just loading this image. If you see this image, so now inside this we will have this image source, and I will just make the width to be 50 and the height to be 50. So this image, I will make this image sticky. So there we need to pass two options. First is the top position. So whatever is your top position, I will say 0. So now it will be appearing right at the top. And now to make it fixed, we need to provide a bottom boundary option. It's a prop that we need to pass. It's essentially this component is asking how much space you want as the user scrolls down the page. So what is the maximum amount of space up till that you want this element to be fixed? So here you can provide any, let me provide 5,000. It is a very large value. So essentially I'm saying that as the user scrolls down, you need to make this element fixed. So now there is a third option you need to pass, which is enabled. It's again a Boolean parameter. So I will just set it to true. So if you now refresh now, and after that you can have your website content. Let me paste some test content. So if you refresh now, so what happens now, if you see, there is this image which is fixed right at the top. You can put your logo of the website accordingly so that that logo appears all the time when the user scrolls down your website. It can be anything. You can make this a heading or image. So I'm just having this simple image appearing. So as we scroll down, if you see, the image is fixed at that location. It is not moving. So in this way, you can make any element sticky header you can create. It can be image, text, anything. And I can even change, let's suppose, the width to be 200. So you can see. So we have this component now. So we make whichever HTML element we want to make it sticky, we pass these three options: the top position, the bottom boundary, and enabled. So this was a package. So thank you very much for watching this video, and do check out my website as well, freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools regarding audio, video, and image. And I will be seeing you in the next video.